Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sabina Farooq and we're getting ready for BCW.
So what does Bridal Couture Week mean to you personally?
Oh, a lot of glitz, glamour, a lot of fashion.
Who are you walking for today?
Father said,
And how do you feel about it?
oh lovely, look at me.
Describe your look today in 3 words.
Drama, hot and pretty.
And what's one bridal trend you think is timeless?
Oh, red joda.
When are we seeing you back on screen again?
Allah ko pata hai, lekin chale mere ख्याल से तो very soon inshallah.
Your Kabli Pulao has been a real success. How was that experience?
बहुत अच्छा. अल्लाह करे दोबारा हो जाए वैसा कोई experience.
How did your understanding of acting change from your first project to now?
Oh, it changes every day क्योंकि जैसे जैसे आप साथ mature हो रहे होते हैं ज़िंदगी में तो इसी तरह आपकी acting भी mature हो रही होती है. So I think it all comes with age and obviously the experience as well, but I always give it to the age as well.
Has there been a role that pushed you completely out of your comfort zone?
Yes.
Which one is that?
The one that I'm doing right now, because वो एक थोड़ी सी she's a young girl and it's hard to play roles of a younger girl जब आप you cross a certain time in life तो वो बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है उसके बचकानेपन और childishness के साथ relate करना. I think I had to push my boundaries for that.
That's great. How do you usually like your glam for bridal events? Soft or bold?
Very soft.
And do you believe like less is more?
I do, yes.
What is your bridal style inspiration?
The kind of eyes that I have right now, very royal see and very like timeless see. The eye makeup that I'm wearing today.
What's one lesson the industry taught you that no one prepared you for?
Everybody prepared me for everything, but one lesson. वो अब काम से तो नहीं, but I think वो ज़िंदगी आपको सिखा देती है कि बस अल्लाह के हाथ में छोड़ दे सब जो हो रहा है वो बेहतरी के लिए हो रहा है and everything will come into place itself इंशाल्लाह जब एक टाइम आता है उसका.
So Fahad, what was your inspiration behind today's show today?
Today's show is just I'm not somebody who works with a lot of inspirations per se. Over time, I think I've developed a mechanical process towards coming up with what I need. So today's show is about Basant, technically. So lots of color, it's a lot of celebration. And technically, it is showcasing an edit of 4 of our forthcoming collections. Like I have big collections and we have very limited numbers that we can show on the runway. So I created an edit which has different product lines and but under the same umbrella of our brand.
Is this your first time working with Sabina?
Yes and no. we just dressed her up for LSAs as well.
Oh.
So this is probably going to be my first time we're working on a show.
And what makes this collection different from your previous ones?
The collection, I don't know if it's different or not. It's different for me in terms that I'm someone who looks into a lot of details. So this time we've done a lot of tribal embroideries that I had not done before. A lot of Iranian-inspired embroideries and stuff. So it's all in the details, technically, which you'll have to look closer into it.
Yeah, we're excited for it. Can you describe Sabina's dress today in 3 words?
Sabina's dress in 3 words. It's rich, it's understated, and it is expensive.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How important is comfort for you when wearing couture?
It is very much important, सबसे important in fact.
Do you gravitate more towards classical bridal silhouettes or modern interpretations?
Classical.
Has working in television influenced your fashion choices?
No, it hasn't because I always look for comfort. और ट्रेंड्स तो इतनी जल्दी चेंज हो रहे होते हैं कि हर चीज़ फिर आपको सूट भी नहीं करती.
Is there a color palette you feel especially drawn to?
Yes, I think I'm very मुझे cool tone colors बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
आप अपना एक perfect work off day कैसे describe करेंगी?
perfect day off जिसमें मैं सुकून से कमरे में बैठ सकूं, अपनी अम्मी अब्बू से बातें कर सकूं बहुत सारी और खाना भी पका सकूं.
Oh, you cook food?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite dish?
Favorite dish? it has to be pulao, aloo gosht.
What's your must-have beauty step before stepping out?
Okay, it has to be, I think, a little bit of blush.
So you believe in blush blindness.
I do.
One way to describe today's couture vibe.
Today's couture vibe. अच्छा, since we're opening the show, तो मुझे बाकियों का तो नहीं पता, but you can have a look at me. I think it's very pretty. It's very dreamy. The color is really nice, है ना?
Yeah. Any advice for brides choosing their dream outfit?
Yeah, for the brides, I would just say go for red any day. And also, I think जैसे मैंने कहा कि timeless, classic dresses, they don't go out of style.
Do we see you getting married soon?
पता नहीं, अल्लाह को पता है ये बात, तो honestly मुझे नहीं पता ये.
How do you choose projects? Instant, script or challenge?
Scripts, not challenge, because फिर वो बहुत ही challenging हो जाते हैं कभी कभी. Scripts because मैं उसमें देख रही होती हूँ कि कोई बात ऐसी ना हो, outdated बातें ना हो, और ऐसी वो तकियानुसी कोई कल्चर्स की हम बातें ना कर रहे हो, ऐसी हो कि जो सोसाइटी को ना प्रोग्रेस करने में साथ दे. स्पेशली मैं देख रही होती हूँ कि आई नो एवरीबडी ट्राइज टू डू दैट, हर एक्ट्रेस का यही होता है ड्रीम के वो यही करे, बट मेरी कोशिश सबसे ज़्यादा ये होती है कि लड़कियों के बारे में ना स्क्रिप्ट के अंदर कोई ऐसी चीज़ ना हो, प्रोग्रेसिव हो सारी. फेवरेट डिश, इट हैज़ टू बी पुलाव, aloo gosht.
What's your must-have beauty step before stepping out?
Okay, it has to be, I think, a little bit of blush. अच्छा, since we're opening the show, तो मुझे बाकियों का तो नहीं पता, but you can have a look at me. I think it's very pretty. It's very dreamy. The color is really nice, है ना?
Yeah. Any advice for brides choosing their dream outfit?
Yeah, for the brides, I would just say go for red any day. And also, I think जैसे मैंने कहा कि timeless, classic dresses, they don't go out of style.
Do we see you getting married soon?
पता नहीं, अल्लाह को पता है ये बात, तो honestly मुझे नहीं पता ये.
How do you choose projects? Instant, script or challenge?
Scripts, not challenge, because फिर वो बहुत ही challenging हो जाते हैं कभी कभी. Scripts because मैं उसमें देख रही होती हूँ कि कोई बात ऐसी ना हो, outdated बातें ना हो, और ऐसी वो तकियानुसी कोई कल्चर्स की हम बातें ना कर रहे हो, ऐसी हो कि जो सोसाइटी को ना प्रोग्रेस करने में साथ दे. स्पेशली मैं देख रही होती हूँ कि आई नो एवरीबडी ट्राइज टू डू दैट, हर एक्ट्रेस का यही होता है ड्रीम के वो यही करे, बट मेरी कोशिश सबसे ज़्यादा ये होती है कि लड़कियों के बारे में ना स्क्रिप्ट के अंदर कोई ऐसी चीज़ ना हो, प्रोग्रेसिव हो सारी की सारी स्क्रिप्ट. Thank you, Sunday Times. It was wonderful having you here, and now I'll see you on the ramp. I'm walking for Father's Day.